As I was driving to work this morning, something happened that happens a lot in our area, actually in a lot of rural areas and some not so rural areas. There's a lot of wildlife in our area, and of course you get things run out in front of you a lot, but the most feared of the regular animals that run out in front of you, in our area at least, is the deer.
Oh, snap! Crackle, don't you hit that deer.
Yeah, you could hear my admonition to myself to not hit the deer. That would have rather messed my day up. Thank the Lord for protecting me from that deer, because it could have been bad.
Oh, snap! Crackle, don't you hit that deer.